everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. Today I am still in comfy clothes and I plan to stay that way for the rest of the night because tonight is just going to be a nice relaxing night in. If you watched yesterday's vlog, then you watched us make some gingerbread and it's in the fridge chilling right now. I'm super excited to pull it out and bake it into some gingerbread men so that we can frost them, decorate them, and eat them. Literally, I love gingerbread so much and I am so excited to do that tonight. Instead of doing our typical coffee run that we've been doing every single night, I actually have some coffee brewing in my coffee pot because I do not want to go out for any reason today. So we are going to have coffee at home and get started on our baking night. Okay, let's get our dough from the fridge. I am so excited to start making gingerbread cookies.
I think rolling them out is probably my favorite part.
Really? I feel like rolling them out, okay, it's fun. It definitely is, but I feel like that's the stressful part because that's when everything can go wrong. True. In my opinion, at least. I'm not gonna lie though, putting flour on the counter and rolling things out is pretty fun. I will give you that. Okay, we're all floury. Let me get some on my hands.
It always amazes me how little it looks now till when it's done. I
know, it stresses me out because I'm like, oh my gosh, I made it wrong. And then this dough gets really crumbly, but it always ends up turning out, so we'll see. We're gonna cut our little gingerbread men.
That's perfect.
Oh yeah, that looks great. Love, these are gonna look so cute. I just brought this pan over here so that we can make our lives a little easier.
Another easy one?
Another easy one. And this smells so good too.
Tastes good too. I think it tastes better after you chill it.
Oh, did you already have some like right now?
Yes, yes I did.
Why am I not surprised? Uh-oh, this one's being difficult. There we go. These are looking so cute. Oh, I'm so excited. Are you excited to decorate them?
I'm excited to eat them.
Me too. Hopefully those don't run together. I can't remember how much bigger they get.
Okay, do we combine and roll over or can you get one more?
Yeah, we can get one more. I think that one's gonna have to go sideways. Okay.
That one's cool.
Perfect. I think they look so cute. I just love how gingerbread looks before it's baked. I think it's cute for whatever reason.
I know. These are the best gingerbread.
Gotta roll this out really quick.
There's still a lot left. I didn't realize how much left there was gonna be.
That's always how this is. It's always so crazy to me. This one's gonna be a lot more crumbly though because we've got a ton of flour happening.
It's alright.
I actually think that's probably about as thick as we can go this time. I don't think we're gonna get very many more out of this actually, but we'll see what we can do.
My guess, 3.
See. I decided that the way that I had put them on the cookie sheet probably wasn't the smartest way, so I switched them so that they're laying this way instead. I think that this is going to work better because they were supposed to be pretty far apart. So this might still be too close together, but we're gonna see what happens. This guy's also kind of not on the parchment paper, but we'll learn for the next batch so that we can hopefully do better next time. We're ready to put these in the oven. Are you excited, babe?
I'm so excited.
I am so happy. I hope that they cool in enough time so that we can decorate them today.
It says it only had to cool for about 5 minutes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, and it said 11 minutes or 10?
9 to 10, so probably 10.
So Johnny wanted to try one, so I'm letting him roll out this disc. How's it coming, babe?
Let's get this bread.
We'll go check on these ones in the oven. Got 3 minutes left. Ooh, they're already starting to look good. I'm excited. Let's pull these out. Ooh, what
wow.
do you think? They look really good.
Those look perfect.
Oh, they look so delicious. I love how thick they get. Ooh, so good. These ones got a little bit dry because they had a lot more flour on them. These just look so good. They did get a little bit crumbly. So on this next batch, I am gonna try and pinch together the cracks a little bit better. That also could be because we moved them around quite a bit after we put them on the cookie sheets. But I love this recipe because I love how thick they get. And they're chewy in the middle, so they are so perfect. This one's a lot more crumbly because we put a lot more flour on these ones. This one's pretty bad. That one I think was like an edge piece, but looking good all together. Something super duper random that I just thought of that I wanted to share with you guys. Bear has this thing where he only wants to lay on the bottom of his bed. I mean, he'll lay on either side, but he also likes to flip his bed over. Like this one was right side up. He flipped it over so that he could lay on the bottom of it. I don't understand why, but he does this all the time. I love you. Johnny got most of his on the cookie sheet, and I think his look better than mine, honestly. I think these are gonna be perfect. He did them a little bit thicker than I did mine, which I wasn't really loving some of these and how thin they were. Like some of these are pretty dang thin, but we've only got a couple more in this last disc and then we'll be all set. We got all of the gingerbread men out and cooling. They look literally so delicious, but it is also, I don't know if you can really tell on camera, I think you can around the light, but it's pretty smoky in here. I think we burnt this last batch just a little bit, but also we were using parchment paper, and for some reason, whenever we use this brand of parchment paper, it just gets so smoky in our house, so I'm not really sure what's happening there. But if you can tell that it's smoky in the background of the video for the rest of the night, that's why we kind of, you know, we had a little situation in here, but you know what, it's fine. So if you guys remember, we bought this little add-on piece for this ornament, and it worked for like a small period of time, and now Bear just keeps falling off of the ornament. So I'm not really sure why it won't stay, but I am going to try hot gluing it and see if that will hold it a little bit better. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that now. We got Bear glued on, so hopefully this makes it so he stays a little bit better. I guess we'll see. We've got all the good stuff. We got a cookie decorating kit. We've got green and red icing and white icing. We've got all of the sprinkles that we had for our gingerbread houses. We also should have red and green and white sprinkles that we used for the cookies. If you want to grab those, because that'll probably go better than the pink and red. Ooh, I also forgot we have leftover spice drops or gum drops or whatever you want to call them. The red and green ones that should work actually really cute on here. Yay! Yeah, these ones I feel like will be so pretty. The ones that we used, I think we used these to decorate pretzels, and we also used them for our other Christmas cookies that we made. Guys, if you can't tell, we like to bake things. Are we ready? Are we getting started?
I think so.
I am so excited. So we've got a couple all decorated, and I think that they're looking so cute. This one is my favorite one that I've made so far. I don't know why, I just think he has such a fun personality. But anyways, those ones are done, and we are gonna take a break and eat some dinner really quick, and then we will come back and finish decorating all the rest. We sat down and had some dinner, and now we're gonna go back to decorating and hopefully finish all of these gingerbread men.
There's so many.
I know. All right, and they are all done. I honestly do think that they turned out looking pretty cute. I mean, some of them are kind of silly, but for the most part, I think that they are adorable. Johnny got creative and told you guys to like the video. And although you may not be able to tell, this one does say subscribe. So I think that he gets an A+ for effort, and you all should subscribe if you're not already. This one is still my favorite, I think. I really like that one. I also kind of really like these striped ones. I think that those ones turned out really cute. Which one's your favorite, babe? Ooh, I also like the bow tie guy.
Yeah, the bow tie guy was super creative. This guy's really just like nice and clean looking. He's really good. This guy reminds me of Among Us.
I can see it. This though is such a vibe. Right next to our gingerbread houses. We got a little gingerbread men's. So cute. All right, and it is time for our advents. Today's theme is over $25. So it could be anything just over $25. And it is Johnny's turn to go first, so he's gonna go ahead and start us off. Any guesses?
I don't know. I can't tell. It's really hard to see. I hope it's an Xbox. The next best thing. More Xbox gift cards. Thank you, babe. Okay, any ideas?
It feels like a gift card.
It's a brand new car.
And it's a Target gift card.
Hope you have fun. Sorry, I ran out of ideas.
You know that I literally would live at Target if I could, so.
True.
Target gift card is amazing. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome. Today's treat is... Ooh, a green doghouse.
Oh, I don't think we've had that one yet.
I don't think so. Hey. Play dead.
Oh.
Good boy.
Alright guys, and that is everything for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below and let us know which gingerbread men are your favorite, and I will be back tomorrow with a brand new video. Bye guys!